Hello everyone, and welcome to Maths with Mr. Chow. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to find the area of a triangle. You'll learn the area formula, work through some examples, and then have a chance to practice on your own. Let's get started. So, what is the area of a triangle? The area is the space inside a triangle. In other words, it is the amount of surface covered inside the shape, not the distance around it. In this lesson, we'll learn a simple formula to calculate the area of any triangle. Before we find the area of a triangle, we need to understand two important parts, the base and the height. The base is the side used to measure the height. The height is the perpendicular distance from the base to the opposite vertex. Remember, the height always meets the base at a right angle or 90 degrees. Now let's learn the formula for finding the area of a triangle. The formula is area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Remember, we always use the base and its perpendicular height when calculating the area of a triangle. Let's try our first example. The base is 8 centimeters and the height is 5 centimeters. We use the formula area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. So we substitute the values. 1/2 times 8 is 4. Then 4 times 5 equals 20. Therefore, the area is 20 square centimeters. Now it's your turn. The base is 10 centimeters and the height is 6 centimeters. Pause the video and see if you can find the area by yourself. When you're ready, let's check the answer together. We use the formula. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. 1/2 times 10 is 5. Then 5 times 6 equals 30. So the area is 30 square centimeters. Let's try one more example. This time, the base is 14 centimeters and the height is 9 centimeters. We use the same formula. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. 1/2 times 14 is 7. Then 7 times 9 equals 63. Therefore, the area is 63 square centimeters. Remember, always write your answer with square units. Let's review what we've learned today. The area is the space inside a triangle. To calculate the area, use the base and the perpendicular height. Remember the formula. Area equals 1/2 times the base times the height. Finally, always write your answer using square units, such as square centimeters, square meters, or square kilometers. Thanks for watching. Thank you for learning with Maths with Mr. Chow. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe for more easy maths lessons. You can also watch another video to continue learning. See you in the next lesson.